I thought you brought up a good point earlier today when we talk about, and you talk about it a lot, which is prioritizing national security threats, public safety threats. But if you only do that, then you're basically telling everyone else it's okay to come in as long as you don't commit another crime here in the United States. And so how do you describe this, right? Obviously, there's a priority, but no one is exempt from the law, right? And so if you have a final order, you're here illegally, you need to remove yourself. And if you don't, then I'm sure you and the ICE team will.
Right, well, actually, no one's off the table. We're going to prioritize the wars first, but if you're in the country legally, you got a problem. And we made that clear. We just re-engineered the CBP One app to the CBP Home app. You need to go on your own, because if you're going to force this, go through the whole process of getting you ordered removed by a federal judge, there's a ban from re-entering the country. So once we get through with the priorities, the aperture opens up. We'll be looking for the fugitives. Almost 1 million people who had due process were ordered removed, didn't leave, they became a fugitive. They're next. But we will get to the general population. Again, if in the country illegally, you're on the table. And sooner or later, we will get to you. But we're going to enforce immigration law the way Congress intended.
Yep.
We're not making this up. We're enforcing laws enacted by Congress, signed by the president. And this is what American people voted for. This was President Trump's #1 issue. We're going to keep his promise and have the biggest deportation operation this country's ever seen.